Hello, my bananas. It's Brianna. Easter is coming. Do you want to try a different kind of crunchy potato-y cheesy snack with me from 1978 in this Kellogg's cookbook? Let's try cheesed potato crisps. First, we're going to need 5 potatoes. It calls for them to be pared. I'm guessing that means taking the eyes out with a paring knife. I'm not sure. I'm just going to wash them. I bought a brand new mandolin just for this video, so we're also going to review that. It has a rubber stopper on the bottom. This top pokes into your potato. This also pops out for your hand. You need the potatoes to be 1/4 of an inch sliced. Also, preheat your oven at 375. Here we go. Uh-oh. No, that's okay. It's kind of slipping around on me. Okay. They're pretty evenly cut. Can't complain too hard. That's 1 potato. Let me do the rest. I give this 8 out of 10. Now we need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. So the recipe says to use a 15 by 10 inch pan, which is this one, and it is not big enough. So we're going to spread this out. All right. We want to get butter all over these, front and back. Make sure they're evenly spread. Now we sprinkle with salt. We need 1.5 cups of shredded American cheese. So I'm not really sure how many slices. We're just gonna rip it up. You know how like when you're little and you take a piece of cheese and you cut it up into little squares? Now we're going to take 2 cups of Kellogg's corn flakes, put them in this bag and crush them up. Take corn flakes. They're so bland. And I like Cheerios. And you get too soggy. Alright, take out all your frustrations on the cornflakes. Top our potato crispies. Top with paprika or cayenne if you don't have any. Be careful with the cayenne. Now in the oven for 25 minutes or until they're tender. Here they are. Bon appetito! It's only crunchy from the cornflakes. The potato is cooked perfectly. It's soft. Potato's not crispy. The cheese just makes it cheesy. It reminds me of mac and cheese. It's surprisingly good. I give this recipe also 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye, bananas.